up, man? How are you doing?
Not too bad.
Yeah. Didn't I do that one?
Yeah, you recently did every one that we had.
Like 2000
It was like the first year or something.
yeah,
right?
like 2015, I think.
Yeah.
And me and my friend Benny got one on his head too.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah. How you been?
Not bad, not too bad.
I seen that tattoo. I was like, I think he did that one.
Because he did the helmet. He changed the number on the helmet.
Well, no, that wasn't him.
that?
That was the other guy.
Oh.
Oh yeah, Caleb did that.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep.
Caleb. That's right.
Yeah.
Caleb.
Yeah.
So I got that one in Ramatry too. That was the year after that, I think.
I wasn't there. That's the one year I wasn't there because I was living in California at the time.
Oh, yeah, I think I remember that. I like that.
Cool.
You did give us some for free at the bar because we're working.
But at the same
Just show
time,
me
I've
your
been wanting
wristband.
to I want to add stuff to this. Because that's kind of what I was thinking already was like,
Do it like right here.
how, is there like a weight right now?
No, dude, you'd be like first person. Yeah.
You want to do it?
Go for it. Always down to do whatever.
You going to get one?
Sure, I don't give a fuck.
Let me
Oh,
make
yeah,
a
yeah,
stencil
I guess
real
Cool.
quick, okay?
Thanks.
Yeah.
So we just got here. We haven't even been into the show yet, but we were checking out the vendor area, and the guy that actually did this tattoo in like 2015 is going to give me another tattoo kind of worked into the same area, which I've been wanting to do anyways.
That's the same tattoo my brother has. Kind of thinking about it. I don't know where. I don't know. On my ass? I don't know.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cool. Yeah.
All right. I'm really thirsty.
We've been here for probably an hour. We've not even seen one motorcycle in the show, but we've got tacos,
We got tattoos and tacos.
and we've got tattoos already, and beer, so I think we're doing pretty good. pretty much always get something from Heavy. They've got some like really cool original artwork. And they had crew necks this year, and I hate hoodies. I always wear crew necks anyway, so we picked that up. But
Little cat.
Doing all right, doing all right.
Busy, busy, busy.
I don't know why, but nobody wants them.
You gotta tell them I carry all their shit around, like, you know?
I live in New York. I tell them, like, people need bags.
Would you guys like to get a tote bag?
There you go.
You gotta buy one from them.
Here, take 2 of them. Get lots of groceries.
free tote bags.
You're okay with manual control?
Yep.
Okay, fantastic. This is a street simulator. We do the speed limit and we follow all signs. And go! It's not a race. No accidents is our goal.
Oh my god.
What's a turn signal?
Oh my god!
What happened now?
I tried to avoid a collision. I hit the wall. This guy cut me off, and then
And you just... Yeah, okay.
It's easier than I remember.
I just don't think that's a 65.
it seemed good. I felt good. So, successful trip to the show. We ran into a bunch of people that we didn't think that we were going to run into, so that was fun. Pretty much just bummed around, shot some.
You sound so ridiculous right now.